Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.3% against the yen. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 3.9% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
U.S. stock indexes remained subdued as losses in IBM pressured technology stocks, with investors focusing on the impact of supply chain disruption and labor shortages on corporate profits. Ripple recently announced that Al Ansari Exchange, a UAE-based foreign exchange and global money transfer company, has joined RippleNet. Commodity currencies stood near multi-month highs on strong raw material prices, while the improved risk mood saw the US dollar losing earlier momentum.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French Market Services PMI will be released at 07:15 GMT. The UK's Market Services PMI at 08:30 GMT. The French Market Manufacturing PMI at 07:15 GMT. The UK's retail sales will be released at 0600 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. The US Market Services PMI at 13:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.